What if you could build your own blog website using AI and have it online on your own VPS within minutes? Whether you want to start a personal blog, publish tutorials, build a niche website, or learn basic SEO, having your own blog site is still one of the best ways to create an online presence. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a simple blog website using AI and then deploy it live on a VPS step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully working blog website online with a homepage layout and simple blog posts running directly from your own server. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial it is another really practical project in our AI Builder series because blogs are still everywhere. People use them for content creation, affiliate marketing, SEO, personal branding, tutorials, company updates, documentation, and so much more. And now with AI tools, building the front-end structure for a blog website has become incredibly fast and beginner-friendly. So today we are going to use AI to generate a clean blog website layout using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then we'll deploy all of it live on a VPS using Apache and the Bitvice SSH client. And just like our previous projects, we will keep everything simple and easy to follow. All right, let's jump into it. Now we're on ChatGPT, go ahead and use this prompt. Create a simple blog website layout using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with simple posts, including a homepage layout, navigation menu, featured post section, and responsive design. Once the AI generates the code, go ahead and copy everything. Open your text editor and paste the generated code in. Now save the file as index.html. Make sure that you have it saved exactly as index.html and not a text document. Once that's done, double-click the file to open it locally in your browser. At this stage, go ahead and review the blog layout and make sure that everything looks correct. Scroll through the homepage, look at the sample post, and resize the browser window to confirm the layout response. And honestly, this is one of the most useful things about AI-generated front-end design. You can create a clean-looking website structure in literal minutes, and then customize the content however you want. Now that we've confirmed everything works locally, let's deploy this blog website on a VPS. Go ahead and open the Bitvice SSH client. Enter your VPS details. Host is your server IP address. Username is root, and then enter your root password. Once everything is entered, click Login. After connecting, Bitvice will open both the terminal and the SFTP file browser. Now inside the terminal, we're going to go ahead and install Apache. So if you're using Ubuntu or Debian, run these commands. And if you're using AlmaLinux or CentOS, run these commands. Once Apache finishes installing, open your VPS IP address in your browser. You should now see the default Apache page. Now let's go ahead and remove that default page. Inside your terminal, run this command. Now we're ready to upload the blog website files. Inside the Bitvice SFTP file browser, navigate to /var/www/html. On your local machine, locate your index.html file, then drag and drop it into that directory on your server. Once the upload finishes, go back to your browser and refresh your VPS IP address. Your blog website should now be live. So go ahead and browse through the homepage and sample posts to confirm everything loaded properly. And just like that, you now have a live blog website running on your own VPS. From here, you can continue customizing the site with your own branding, articles, images, navigation links, and content. You can also connect a domain name later by pointing your domain's A record to your VPS IP address. And if you eventually want to expand beyond static blogging, you can later transition into a full CMS setup like WordPress while using the same exact VPS infrastructure. And that's it, you have just built and deployed your very own AI-generated blog website on a VPS. This is a great beginner-friendly project because it teaches both front-end deployment and the fundamentals of hosting your own content. And once you understand this workflow, you can start building more advanced websites, personal brands, SEO projects, documentation hubs, or even client sites. The combination of AI-generated development plus VPS hosting gives you an incredible amount of flexibility to build and publish projects on your own terms. If you want to keep experimenting with projects like this, you can always explore VPS hosting options at RackNerd.com for your own websites, apps, and deployments. And if you want to connect your AI website or project to your own domain name, make sure to check out our other RackNerd tutorial on how to point your domain name to your server IP address step by step. And if you've been enjoying this AI Builder series here on RackNerd TV, there's a lot more coming, so definitely stay tuned. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep experimenting with new ideas.